Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to sell courses on Coursera in 2024. Coursera is a leading online learning platform that allows you to reach a global audience with your courses. So in this tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to create and even sell your courses on Coursera. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave browser. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, basically go to the URL section, type core, sorry, so coursera.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, this should take you into the home screen or main screen of their website right away. So, course. So, okay, it's .organization, not .com. So just type .org. Once you do so, as you can see, you'll be taken to the home screen, the main screen. Once you are here, as you can see, you can start for individuals, for businesses, for universities, or government. Normally, you'd like to go for individuals. Of course, first of all, if you have an account, make sure to go to the top right corner, click on login to log in into your account. As you can see, you'll be able to log in with Google, Facebook, and even Apple. And if you don't have an account, you'll be able to join for free. You can create your account using Google, Facebook, or Apple if you have one of those accounts, so you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your accounts. For me, I'll choose Google here, I'll choose my account. And as you can see, by continuing, Google will share your name, email address, language preferences, profile picture, the Coursera, and you can see the privacy policy and the terms of service of it. As you can see, so it's fill up. It's basically will share all the information that you'll have to fill up manually. Once you do so, as you can see, the page will load and you will find yourself right here. So welcome to Coursera. As you can see, click on next. So what brings you here as an example? Do you want to land your first job or switch to a different role, advance in your current role, whatever you want? Of course, you can answer those questions or you can skip whatever suits you. So let's say an example, you don't want to answer those questions. Example, so skip, skip, skip. It's up to you, of course. Of course, you can always go back if you want to answer some questions. Example, what's your highest level education? What's your current job title? If you don't want to answer any, just go and click on exit and you will not answer anything in here. As an example, as you can see, you'll be right away into the home screen or main screen. So as you can see here in home, you'll be able to see some courses here online. Example, some free courses. If you scroll, you'll find some paid courses. Example, so you can, as you can see, enroll for free to start learning some courses. But that's not what we want. We don't want to learn courses. We want to sell our own courses. So of course, as you can see, if you go here to my learning, you'll be able to see the courses that you started, as an example, also the completed if you completed any in progress. Here are some online degrees if you have any. Of course, you'll be able to find them here. As you can see, and here you'll even be able to find your new career. As an example, launch your new career with professional certificates on Coursera. Professional certificates offer flexible online training designed to get you job ready for high growth field. Of course, you'll get 7 days free trial. Then you'll have to start paying $50 per month or 49, and of course it's going to be less than 6 months at your own pace. As you can see, take the first steps towards your career, get professional level training, and earn a credential recognized by leading companies. As you can see, you'll be able to prior experience optional, earn available credits, and learn at your own pace. And they're like 10 hours of flexible study per a week. So not per day or something like that. So after that, as we said, we would like to launch or sell our like course. But before like launching any course, you would like to understand or follow some steps, like identify your expertise and target audience. Like you'll need to develop some high quality course content. You'll need to craft some compiling course, like description and titles. You'll need to set up competitive price. You need to submit your course for review. You will need after that to promote your course. You'll need to engage with your students, example, and response to feedback. And of course, you will need to monitor your sales and analytics also of your course. And of course, to publish that course, you will need, so only Coursera partners are able to publish like courses on their platforms. And all courses are taught by subject matters experts either at universities or companies, often globally. renowned like experts. So you would like first of all to know how like they can select your specific course to be published at Coursera. So you would like first of all either to be a partner, as example you can say as example become a Coursera like partner. So okay, so it's partner. So you'd like to be a partner, as example, not affiliate program. Affiliate program is not it. You'll need to be a university, maybe partnership, as an example, or even as you can see here, industry partnership to launch your course, as an example. So let me just go here to this and open this also. Yeah. For example, here you can even meet their partners that they have all over the world and even in specific like countries. As you can see, you can explore like the topics of partners on each topic as an example. So as you can see, to publish or to sell your course, as example, bring your degree to the world. So you'll have to contact them. As I said, you'll need to be a partner. Either you are accounts on as a university or as industry as example. So either you are a university, you'll have to click on contact us, either you are industry, click on contact us as you can see here, and you will have to fill up all of those form as examples. So as you can see, just some usual like information like first name, last name, job title, and etc. Things that are just optional. You will not find this like red star or something like that to fill, so you don't have to fill it. And yeah, and as you can see, why partner with us? You'll be able to reach a global community of dedicated learners, create reusable, stackable, and scalable content to optimize ROI, increase accessibility to your degree and programs, utilize data insights from more than 20 million courses enrollments, and benefits from Coursera expertise in efficient marketing and student recruitment services. So in order to sell your course in here, you'd like to be a partner. So fill up this form. Either you are coming from a university or from an industry. As an example, industry has its own form in here. You'll have to fill up that, then click on submit, and they will come back to you as soon as possible. And of course, either they are accepting, they're gonna accept or not. And of course, depending on the course that you wanna sell, they will go with you through the whole course. And of course, after that, they'll be able to see if they will put your course in their website or not. And of course, also you'll be able to learn also like anything that you want in here, and also publish your course either for free if you want or for a specific price. So that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.